Aloha, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's near and dear to my heart, self-publishing. Having written 13 books, I know a thing or two about making money online. I've been working with this lovely lady, Karen, from Hawaii. She reached out to me because she had a bit of a disaster with her nonfiction ebook. You see, she wrote this amazing book, poured her heart and soul into it, and for the first 4 months, she was on top of the world. The sales were rolling in and she thought she'd cracked the code, but then bam, it's like someone flipped a switch. Sales plummeted and she was left wondering what went wrong. Well, honey, that's where I come in. We sat down, dug deep, and realized she had fallen prey to some common misconceptions about self-publishing. So, misconception number 1 is that writing a nonfiction ebook is easy money. Let me tell you, nothing could be further from the truth. It takes a lot of hard work, dedication, and let's be real, a little bit of luck to make it in this game. Just because you write a book and put it up on Amazon doesn't mean the masses are going to magically find it and start throwing money at you. It's not like you can just sit back with a Mai Tai on the beach and watch the royalties roll in. It takes a whole lot of hustle, baby. You gotta treat it like a business. We're talking marketing, promotion, building an audience. It's a full-time job, my friends. Which brings me to misconception number 2. Most beginning authors make money from their ebook or paperback. You guys, the statistics are out there. Most self-published authors, especially first-timers, don't make a fortune. In fact, many barely break even. Now, that's not to discourage you because there are definitely success stories out there, but it's important to go into this with realistic expectations. Don't quit your day job just yet, okay? Think of it like this. Writing a book is like opening a restaurant. Just because you build it doesn't mean people will come. You need to have amazing food, great ambiance, and tell everyone about it. This leads us right into misconception number 3. You don't need knowledge in writing, self-publishing, or selling an ebook. Oh, honey, please. This is where so many people go wrong. You wouldn't open a bakery without knowing how to bake, right? The same goes for writing and self-publishing. You need to know how to write a compelling book, format it correctly, design an eye-catching cover, and market it effectively. There are so many moving parts it can make your head spin. Luckily, there are tons of resources available, courses, books, YouTube channels that can teach you everything you need to know. Good writing isn't enough. Misconception number 4 is a big one. Good writing alone guarantees sales. Now, don't get me wrong, having a well-written book is super important, but it's not the only thing that matters. Think of it like a beautiful car. You might have the sleekest, fastest car on the market, but if nobody knows about it, they're not going to buy it, right? You need to get your book in front of the right people. You need to create a buzz, generate excitement, and make people desperate to read your words. Marketing is your BFF, which brings us to misconception number 5. Marketing and promotion are not important. Okay, this one makes me want to pull my hair out. Listen, you could have written the most life-changing, earth-shattering book the world has ever seen, but if you don't tell anyone about it, guess what? No one's going to read it. Marketing is everything. You need to be your book's biggest cheerleader. Shout it from the rooftops. Tell everyone you know, and then tell some more. Use social media, run ads, do giveaways, get creative. Patience, young grasshopper. And finally, misconception number 6. Self-publishing is a quick process. Honey, it's a marathon, not a sprint. From writing and editing to formatting and cover design to marketing and promotion, it takes time to do it right. Don't expect to become an overnight success. It takes dedication, persistence, and a whole lot of patience. But let me tell you, when you finally hold that finished book in your hands, it's all worth it. Don't give up on your dreams. So there you have it. 6 common misconceptions about self-publishing nonfiction ebooks. It's a tough business, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Don't let these misconceptions discourage you. Learn from them, adapt, and keep pushing forward. Remember, Karen's story is a cautionary tale, but it's also a story of hope. Even if you stumble, you can always pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and try again. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one sipping margaritas on the beach, watching your book sales soar. Mahalo for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating the exciting world of online business.